Hello everyone. Hello my friends. Today we make Smulpaj with 2-3 different presentation. Smulpaj is apple tart with Swedish way. Smul is oats or Quaker. It's very simple recipe, very delicious and easy to make. I will show you also how to make the nice presentation. How to make crescent from phyllo dough, the crumble to bake in pot or in tart. Both is wonderful taste together. First we make phyllo dough, just 4 paper of phyllo dough. We bend with butter and we cut with round cutter as you see, like crescent. So 1 paper phyllo dough, butter, 1 paper phyllo dough, butter, 1 paper phyllo dough, butter, 1 paper phyllo dough, and then you cut and bake. That's it. You cut all, you put in Smulpaj sheet and you bake 170 almost 4-5 minutes. When becomes golden, it's ready to make. Here we do the crumble. 100 gram butter, 100 gram sugar, 120 gram flour, 80 gram of oats. Butter, sugar, together with flour, all-purpose flour, and oats. All together in a small mixer and you mix. It's not like sugar dough, it's just crumble. You will see all mixture becomes very fluffy, nice. And that secret touch, we added 1 gram of salt, and then our crumble, this 1 gram of salt, then the crumble is ready. As you see, this is the way we make the crumble. And shufan or oats really make nice crunchy flavor when you eat. We finished all, we keep in container, we keep in the fridge ready for service. We keep all in container. Now we keep in the fridge. Here the way to make is very simple way. 30 gram of sugar, 20 gram of cinnamon. Yes, 20 gram of cinnamon. They love, Swedish love cinnamon. And this is the recipe, and this quantity is good for 1 kilo, almost 6 or 7 apple. We skin less the apple. And this is very nice. And if you have a slicer, will be much better. Very easy technique. Because we used in the hotel, we have big quantity. And if you don't have, you can cut with knife, a slice. It's very simple way to make apple. It's different than American apple pie or French apple pie. It's really easy way to do it. as you see. We mix it very well, and your apple Swedish way is ready. Just mix this with apple, and then we have two different presentation. First, you have pot or small casserole, and you added only apple, and then you cover with crumble. Or you can use sablé tart. That's it. The crumble already in the fridge. We keep it for service. Here is the easy way: in small casserole or pot, or Remy can ceramic, whatever service is available in your hotels. Or apple tart, just sablé dough, easy one. 1 kilo butter, 500 gram icing sugar, 1 kilo 500 gram flour, 2 eggs. That's it. Very simple. You make it raw. You don't make half bake. Just raw. You insert the apple and then cover with crumble. You bake both the pot and the tart 170 degree for about 20-25 minutes maximum, and then you have it golden, crispy. You have easy way: you can dust with sugar, 1 piece of ginger mint, and serve it a la minute with vanilla sauce. Or you have with the pot, you serve it to the guest direct. And my favorite way to serve it with ice cream. This is my favorite. I serve it with vanilla ice cream and caramelized apple. The caramelized apple is already, I will put the link below how to make all caramelized fruit. Thank you so much to being in my channel. Please, if you not participate in my channel, make subscribe. Please leave your comment. It's very important for us. Make like, and that help our channel to have more people like you. Again, best regards, Ahmed, Younes.